Google has offered a rare look at the servers that keep its internet empire running. The search giant has published a gallery of high-resolution images of Google's data centers, infrastructures, and employees from around the world. It covers everything from front-side lobbies and offices to the server floors, tape archives, and cooling plants that keep the center running. And Google's offering a street view tour of its facility in Lenoir, North Carolina. Coinciding with this media blitz is an article in Wired magazine, which got an unprecedented inside tour of the Lenoir facility. The problem for would-be bards attempting to sing of these data centers has been that because Google sees its network as the ultimate competitive advantage, only critical employees have been permitted even a peek inside, a prohibition that has most certainly included bards, until now. Google says another reason for the secrecy is because data security is paramount. Very few people have stepped inside Google's data centers, and for good reason. Our first priority is the privacy and security of your data, and we go to great lengths to protect it, keeping our sites under close guard. In any case, Computer World says this array of data center media is good PR for the search giant. It's also not a bad public relations move for Google, putting a human face on its vast compute factories and portraying facilities in bucolic harmony with the nature around them. And a writer for GigaOM points out it's a trend that the rest of the businesses might do well to follow. The data center industry needs to embrace this type of transparency to help combat the potentially negative reaction that's sometimes emerged around the secretive data centers being built throughout the world. Of course, Google's tours don't directly address those negative reactions, but Extreme Tech says that's not the point. We still have very few details of the actual hardware being used, or the software that knits Google's infrastructure together, or any raw figures on power usage and efficiency, but hey, stop asking questions and look at the pretty photos. Google says it will be explaining some of those photos in more detail in the coming days. Head to the Google blog to learn more. For Neasy, I'm Logan Tittle. Multiple sources, the real story.